When comparing Monday.com versus SmartSuite, you're probably wondering which one offers better customization. It's a key factor when choosing between two powerful project management tools, so let's break it down. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform best suits your needs, but stick around, because we'll also reveal a hidden gem that might be a better option overall. First off, Monday.com is known for its user-friendly interface. It's an intuitive platform that allows you to create boards, workflows, and tasks with ease. The customization options in Monday.com are robust. You can adjust columns, views, and workflows to fit your team's needs. You can also integrate various apps, making it an all-in-one solution for project management. But while it's great for most teams, it can get complicated if you're looking for more advanced customization features, like truly deep workflows or tailored automations. This might be a deal breaker for businesses that need something very specific. Next thing to consider is SmartSuite. SmartSuite offers customization that's just as powerful, but in a slightly different way. It has a similar interface to Monday.com in terms of drag-and-drop functionalities, but SmartSuite shines with its more flexible data structures. You can create custom fields, views, and even dashboards that provide more specific insights. The platform also supports a wider range of integrations and allows for a higher degree of customization on a per-record basis. So, if you need something that truly adapts to the nuances of your projects, SmartSuite could be a better fit. But here's the catch, it may feel like there's a steeper learning curve, especially for teams that are used to simpler setups. The third thing to note is automations. Monday.com provides strong automation options with its easy-to-set-up rules, but it can be a bit limited in terms of the complexity of those automations. While it's good for simple tasks like notifications or status updates, more sophisticated workflows could require additional customization, which might lead you into the territory of more expensive plans or third-party tools. SmartSuite, on the other hand, offers a more in-depth automation engine with conditions, triggers, and actions that can be tailored to the smallest detail. If your team needs a high level of process automation, SmartSuite could be your pick. The fourth thing is pricing. Monday.com offers various pricing tiers, but customization options typically increase with the higher tier plans, which can get costly. So, if you need premium customization, you'll be paying quite a bit. SmartSuite, while also offering a tiered pricing structure, generally provides more flexibility at a lower entry price, especially for teams that want to dive into customization without paying a premium upfront. However, if you're only looking for basic features, Monday.com's lower tiers might still give you what you need. Now, after comparing both of these platforms, they both do a great job with customization in their own ways. However, if you want a platform that balances flexibility, advanced customization, and a more straightforward user experience without a hefty price tag, I've got a recommendation that might just be what you're looking for. Through the first link in the description, you can try out a platform that's actually better suited for deep customization. With this platform, you'll get an exclusive free trial with benefits that you won't find elsewhere, only available for our viewers. If you're ready to see what that's all about, click the link and get started. So, whether you go with Monday.com or SmartSuite, both are solid choices. But if you're looking for something that offers better customization overall and a smoother experience, be sure to check out the free trial through the link. You won't regret it.